Happy Saturday, guys.
Where are we?
We are at Safe Light Auto Glass because my windshield repair kit did not. It was too much damage for one. That was the problem.
Yeah.
Those things are made for a little bit smaller repairs, you know.
You want to tell them what happened? We're in Victorville, California now, by the way, about 30 miles south of Barstow.
Yeah, it was the closest Safe Light. So I got the bright idea watching some YouTube videos on how to fill in those cracks on each side of the damage a little bit better. And what people are recommended doing is pushing with your thumb on the inside to help open up the gap and then get the resin down in there. So
a couple people actually suggested that too on our repair video, windshield repair video.
Yeah. So we went to go do that, but the problem was when I told Heather to push, I didn't tell her to just push lightly. She puts her whole palm up there and like pushes, and it just went
cracked. We'll have to insert a picture or something to show you how much more it cracked, like another good 2-3 inches.
Yeah.
Which definitely is a violation.
Yeah, that's definitely a violation now. So.
Yeah.
So we're over at the Safe Light. Well, and you know, we called our insurance about this too. So we called them to find out about getting our deductible for windshield down to $100, but a prorated rate was going to be an extra $300 for the year. So I'm going to pay $300 more per year plus a $100 deductible, which is $400 when I can just pay $300 to have the windshield replaced.
Yeah.
So
now we did find out though, like if it's repairable, they will repair it for free with insurance.
They will.
So we could have taken it if it was repairable. They would have repaired it, but I think it was still a good video to do. Yourself.
Yeah.
Because not everybody, you know, maybe you're not in an area you can have it come out and repaired, or you need to get it done quickly.
And I think most windshield companies do offer, or insurance companies do offer free repairs. So, I mean, it's a cool little kit to have, you know. I know a lot of other people recommended using fingernail polish.
Yeah, I've heard of that before. But even that, I still think a lot of people had said it can't be bigger than a quarter. And those hairline cracks were outside of a quarter.
So,
you know, it's better just to get it done. And like Jason said in the repair video, we don't want to pay a violation ticket and have to replace the windshield. That's just more money out of our pocket and points on our CSA score we don't want to have. So.
Yeah, points against all the other Landstar drivers, really. You know, when you affect your CSA score, it affects the company's CSA score, and it affects other drivers too. And I don't want to be that guy.
Yeah, so we're already checked in here at the Safe Light. It's an all-day appointment, so they just get to us when they get to us, so we may be here all day.
They did just come out and talk to me and said, well, it's probably going to be like 5 o'clock before we get it done. I'm like, yeah, I kind of figured. But I got the last appointment available for the entire weekend. That was the very last appointment available, so they're booked up for the weekend. So, I mean, I kind of figured that we were going to be here all day.
Yeah.
That's all right. We ain't doing nothing else. We didn't get a load. Frank from the trucking couple might be stopping by and seeing us.
Oh, yeah. When are they supposed to be out this way?
He's in New Mexico today, so he's taking Stephanie to Vegas to have their take their cat to the vet, and then
he's not doing good. Poor Gargoyle.
He'll probably stop by and see us tomorrow if we're still here.
Yeah.
Because you never know. We could always get that weekend call load.
I mean, there's general freight and stuff that comes out on the weekends, so you never know. But, I mean, that's all right. We need to get this repair done, and so
it means we gotta take everything off.
I know. We don't have that much.
Oh crap.
We have a dash cam.
Well, we'll have to move all this because he's gonna have to get into it. We'll probably have to move this because it will be having to do work on here, like using the suction cup things, and we're probably gonna have to clear out a bit, move the cup holder, and
this will be our second windshield we've replaced on this truck since we've had it. We shortly after we first got it,
we've had the truck 2 years. So if you do the math, we've the first time it was $300. This time's $300. So $300 per year. That's we typically buy a new windshield once a year. So
and it is a write-off. We can write it off. So.
It's a write-off, you know.
I mean,
instead of paying $400 or $500 more a year for insurance, and then on top of paying a deductible, I'll just pay the cash.
I mean, this is just part of being an owner-operator. You know, you've got
really
these
is.
expenses. It's part of that.
And when you drive these many miles, miles as we do a year,
you're gonna get this.
You're gonna
rock
be.
chips.
I think most truck drivers budget for a new windshield a year. I think most companies, drivers, owner-operators, everybody, they just budget for new windshields each year.
Yeah, so we'll keep you updated on how this goes when they get to us. Safe Flight's really good. They do a good job.
They are. They're decent, really good company. So.
Yeah. All right.
Cool.
Peace. What you think?
Yeah.
Back at TA Barstow.
Man, they got us right in and out. That was awesome.
When we first got there, they weren't open till 8. They told us to be there at 7:30. But then as soon as the manager got there, he came out to us. He said, "Hey, Jason, knew we were coming. Said, hey, yeah, you can leave it right here. It's probably going to be the end of the day." I'm like, oh, man, I kind of understood it was the last appointment, but we told him, we have to stay with the vehicle. We don't have nowhere else to go, So we'll just hang tight, and whenever it happens, it happens. If it takes till 5, that's fine with us.
Yeah, we were fine sitting there.
Yeah, we didn't have no problem. We got everything we need in the truck. And then I guess our 8 o'clock appointment or 8:30 or something didn't show up. So they squeezed us in real quick.
Lucky for us.
Hell yeah, got us done first thing. And
so yeah, Safe Flight in Victorville. I'll leave their info up here, their address and everything if y'all ever need a windshield replaced or a repair.
Yeah, they were really good.
Awesome service.
Yeah.
Alex was our technician.
Yeah.
He even gave us a thing of their glass cleaner.
That stuff works good, man.
Yeah, we cleaned the inside of the windows and the mirrors.
And
much better than Windex.
No streaks, no.
Yeah, I'm excited about that. So thank you, Alex. That was awesome. Yeah, really good service. Quick, efficient.
Also, a big shout out to Keith Kuntz, man. We appreciate you commenting on our video. He's been working for Safe Flight for 14 years.
Yeah, he commented on the DIY windshield chip repair video.
Yeah, 14 years. I think that qualifies him as a windshield expert.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
He said those DIY kits are pretty much junk.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's a good thing, though. Like, if you're in a pinch and you can't get it replaced or repaired right away, it may help it from cracking more.
Because it is hard to get in with Safe Flight sometimes.
It is.
I mean,
finding one.
In
the area you're in.
Yeah.
Or even having your windshield in stock.
Yeah.
Sometimes,
yeah, true.
Especially for trucks.
So the DIY, and I'll pick up another DIY kit just to have that Rain-X kit, just to have on hand.
Yeah.
Because you just never know. But he basically said, they do it a real professional way.
They use a vacuum.
To suck out all the air and they just have all the right tools for it.
But now we do know, like we said previously, our insurance does cover repairs. So if it can be repaired, that's covered under our insurance. But again, finding one where you're at, having the time, getting in, So I think,
missing out on runs.
I think the repair
not getting a DOT violation, all that good stuff.
Yeah, I think the repair kit's good in a pinch. But
big shout out to Alex.
Yeah, Safe Flight. They were awesome.
Appreciate your fast work. And
what are we going to do now?
We are going to go have some Mexican food, and then we're going to go get some
stuff at Walmart.
Not too much food, just supplies, right?
Yeah, just odds and ends stuff we need to get. There's really no natural grocers around here or in Victorville that I could find, which is really where we like to get our groceries. So we'll have to hold off on that. But we're going to get some Mexican food. We found
Los Domingos.
Yeah, they have good reviews on Google, so we're going to try them out. Get an Uber or Lyft there, and then from there go to the Walmart here in Barstow with a Lyft and just get the few things that we need.
Yeah.
We're not going to bring the big camera with us just because we need to go shopping at Walmart, but we'll bring the GoPro and take some clips of what I get, and then I'll tell you about what I got there that's low carb, because we love Mexican food. Y'all know that, and I can get low carb stuff in Mexican food restaurants too. So
Mexican. I should have been born a Mexican.
You,
I'm white on the out,
like
but I'm
quarter,
brown on the
aren't
in.
You quarter?
I am quarter. I'm a quarter Mexican. Surprisingly, blonde hair, blue eyes. You
And
know?
red beard.
My grandmother was full-blooded Mexican. My great grandmother actually came over here from Mexico and had my grandma here. And
Yeah.
I always tried to get my grandma to teach me Spanish, but I just couldn't roll the R's. Yeah, I can't do that. And she was more, I mean, back then, you know, she was more embarrassed of being Mexican, and she always claimed to be Spaniard. But yeah, I'm a quarter Mexican. Surprising.
Fun fact about Jason, y'all probably didn't know. Well, all right. Well, let's go get our lunch on and get some stuff at Walmart. Catch up with you guys a little bit later.
Cool. And we're back.
T.A. Barstow.
T.A. Barstow.
Guys, we're going to be here all weekend.
We are.
Oh my gosh, that food was so good, guys.
Oh, golly.
So I got, one of my go-tos when we go eat Mexican is, first I look for like a bacon wrapped shrimp because I love bacon wrapped shrimp. If they don't have that, I'll get like a taco salad or fajitas and just don't get rice, beans, tortillas.
Right.
Now, I'd be lying if I said I don't have any chips and salsa, because I do have chips and salsa when we have Mexican food. I just limit myself. But Jason, oh my gosh, he got this,
I'm gonna have
biggest burrito you've ever had.
I'm gonna have leftovers for days.
Look at this burrito, guys.
Yeah.
It was as big as his forearm, literally.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it was like the size of a baby.
Yeah.
You didn't even put a dent in that thing.
No, I barely ate a sixth of it.
Yeah.
Barely.
But that place was really good. I'll leave their info here, the name and address. If y'all are ever in Barstow and want some good Mexican food, we recommend that place. It was really good.
Yeah, it was really good.
And then we went to Walmart, got the things we needed to get, and back at the truck. So we're just gonna chill the rest of the night
and see what we get into tomorrow.
Yeah, check up with y'all tomorrow. Peace.
You just scratched my titty.
We won't be in the clip.
Won't be in the vlog.
Oh, well, happy Sunday, everybody.
Howdy.
We had kind of an exciting day. Like Jason told you, I don't know if it was in this vlog or the last vlog, but the trucking couple stopped through.
Yeah, we only got to see Frank though. Steph was sleeping.
Yeah, so sorry we didn't get to see you, Steph. But we got to spend a little time with Frank, and we took him to that Mexican food place we went to yesterday, which he enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was good.
Really good.
Yeah.
And we did a video with him for his channel and a video for our channel, which will be out.
Probably this Friday.
Gotta get it edited up and see. No, next Friday. Because this is coming out on Friday.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. Because we got 3 vlogs this week.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are going to go ahead and end this one here, guys. Hopefully we will get us some good loads this next week.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
I hope we get a good one.
I hope so too.
We had a bad week last week. We had a really good week, then we had a bad week, and then... it should be it was a bad week.
It was one load.
One load. Short load. 600 miles.
Yeah.
That's a bad week.
Yeah.
It was a good paying load, though.
It's been nice, though, to be off in warmer weather, and... we didn't get everything done we needed to get done. Like we
were kind of lazy. We've been kind of lazy.
Yeah, but it's been nice to kind of
relax
and stuff. But we got so much laundry we need to get done. But I like going to a laundromat to do it. I don't really like doing it at the truck stops anymore. No. It's just easier and quicker to get it done at a laundromat. Guys, hey. So we'll go ahead and end this one here, guys. Thank you as always for watching and subscribing.
Until our next video.
Peace, love, and expediting.